Hello everyone, Daisy here with my first layout for Kitaholic Kits. This is the May 2019 kit and it is based around the Kaisercraft Paisley Days collection. This is an absolutely gorgeous collection with some beautiful colors in it, and there are a lot of fun prints and patterns. So I decided to go with kind of this monochromatic look. I used the exclusive cut file for May, and I cut out a bunch of these scallop pieces out of this paper here. It has little yellow flowers all over it, and the scallop has this beautiful pattern built into it, and I chose to do some yellow cardstock scallops because I wanted to, well, my original idea was I was going to layer them on top of each other so that you could see the yellow through the little pattern pieces. But then when I was playing around with them, I kind of came up with this other layout that I chose to go with instead. So I'm just outlining the scallops because the pattern is so tiny and light that I was afraid it wasn't going to stand out enough against my white cardstock background, so I just decided to use a black pen and just trace around everything. And I'm not being very careful, it looks very sketchy, and that's kind of the way I wanted it to look, so this is a very simple way of doing it. And I am using my Cricut mat. This is an old mat that isn't sticky enough to actually cut on anymore, but it's perfect for things like this where you're going to be tracing things. I also use it when you're trying to line things up so that they, your bottom layer will stay put, and then you can easily move the mat around. So it's a little tip there for you. If you have an older mat that lost its stick, it's something you can use it for. So in the kit we got these beautiful layered butterfly stamps, and I absolutely love them. I think I've made 3 layouts from this kit already, and I've used them on all of them, so yeah, my favorite. So I'm again just stamping these in yellow, and this is archival ink that I had in my stash, and I think it's called like Lemon Drop or something like that. And I wanted to add a little bit of black to these as well, so I am just tracing it with that same pen, just trying to add a little bit of interest to these butterflies. And you can see I did try stamping those extra little dots, and I felt like it was too severe with the black ink, didn't stand out enough with the gray ink, so I decided just to leave them off. And then I'm just using my black pen to kind of add some interest there. And I decided to do a few of the flowers as well. So in the centers of the flowers I added some black little dots to the I guess the centers of the flowers. I don't know, what is it called? I can't think of it right now, but anyway. And then I'm going to fussy cut all of these out. Here I decided, well, maybe I want to do, I don't have a darker color yellow or a different color yellow, so I thought maybe this orange would work, but I don't like that at all, so I'm going to go without that. And so I'm just going to fussy cut these out. And I did speed this part up. This is sped up to 8 times just because I wanted to get it. I didn't want to edit out anything, but so I wanted to, just leave it in here but have it sped through really fast. So I do not cut anywhere near this fast. Like, it is very slow. And so I'm just working around this. And like I said, I want this to be kind of a monochromatic layout. So I am going to pull in a few of the embellishments as well, because of course the colors match really well with the yellow in the paper, so I figured I would just kind of stick with this. And so this layout, it wasn't created for any challenge or anything, but it was created on International Scrapbooking Weekend or Day. I was just trying to, get some things done, and I had just gotten my kit, so I was super excited about it. It came so fast. I was really impressed because it does come from Australia, so I was afraid that it was going to be a while but nope, I think I got it within a week or within the week that it was mailed out. So I'm super excited about that. And this month I do only have the main kit, and I will be sharing a unboxing, I believe, um, in the next couple of days. I know it's going to be probably out of order, but there are other great unboxings from the other design team members, so you can check that out if you are looking for, um, what's in each one of the kits. Now, we did get this unicorn stickles in the kit, so I decided to kind of decorate my butterflies with this. And I'm just going kind of around the edges and the center. All the places that I did the, like I doubled up my stamping, it didn't turn out as dark as I was hoping. So I added the stickles to all of those places. And I apologize, you can see my head in there. Yep, I didn't know that was happening, but I was so focused on doing my stickles that I wasn't paying attention. So I just adhered down all of these scallops, and I did pop up some of them on some fun foam just to make them stand off the page a little bit. And they are wonky. I did not put them on there straight at all, like on purpose. So I really love how that looks. And I had my daughter pick my picture, so of course she picked one of herself. And it's kind of a yellow tone because she's in front of the kitchen cabinets and they're kind of a yellow toned wood, so it works out really nicely with this. And you can see I pulled in a couple of a little label strip and a little phrase, and those are from the exclusive die cuts. And then I have some flowers, or the flower that's over in that cluster over there on the right hand side. That one is from the Kaiser Craft die cut pack. And then the flowers I'm going to put on the left hand side that I didn't stamp, so that one I'm playing with right there, that is from the exclusive die cuts. And you get tons of them. And that little label there I put on the photo, that is also from the exclusive die cuts. And they were just the perfect color. They are amazing. And I'm just working on layering this up, and then my title, I'm going to use these stickers that came in. They're from Patio Party, I believe, and I'm just going to use this Love Ya because it works perfectly. And again, it's like a yellow color wood, so it works out. So yeah, I'm super excited. I hope you are interested in checking out these kits. You can head over to kitaholickits.com and check it out for yourself. Thanks so much for watching. See you again next time. Bye.